Hi children, very good morning. Today we are going to see new topic decimal. We have learned about decimal numbers in the previous classes. Let us briefly revise here. Let us see the topic decimal, place value, expanded form, types of decimal, operation of decimal number. What is mean by operation? Did you know? Yeah, correct. Operation means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have learned about addition and subtraction of decimals. Yeah, right? We will see one by one briefly. First topic, decimal. What is decimal? A decimal number is a number that has a decimal point. Decimal is another representation of part of whole. The number expressed in decimal forms are called decimals. Example 21.32. Decimal has two parts. One is whole part and another one is decimal part. Now look at this example. 21 is whole part or integral part. 32 is decimal part or fractional part. The two part between one point. The point is called as decimal point. Let us see another one example. Now look at this number. Now you have to find whole part and decimal part. Are you ready, children? Yeah. 9321 is whole part or integral part. 654 is decimal part or fractional part. Yeah, right? Now we will see how do you read decimals. To read a decimal correctly, first find the decimal point. Whole numbers are to the left of the decimal point. Any numbers to the right of a decimal point from a decimal fraction. 9321.654. We will see the next topic, place value. Decimal place value. When we write numbers, the position of each digit is important. Whole part is having place value ones, tens, hundred, thousand and so on. Like that, decimal part having some place value tenth, hundredth, thousandth and so on. Look at this example. 9321 is whole part number. 654 is decimal part number. Whole part is having place value ones, tens, hundred and so on. Decimal part is having place value tenth, hundred, thousand and so on. Now we are going to see place value. What is the place value of 5? Yeah, correct. The place value of 5 is 500 or can be written as 5 by 100. Next question. What is the place value of 4? Yeah, correct. The place value of 4 is 4000 or 4 by 1000. Next topic, expanded form. Example 9321.654. Step 1. First find the place value of each digit. Place value of 9 is 9000. Place value of 3 is 300. Place value of 2 is 2 tenths. Place value of 1 is 1 ones. Then next, decimal part. What is the place value of 6? 6 tenth. What is the place value of 5? 5 hundredths. What is the place value of 4? 4 thousandths. So can be written as 9000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 1 plus 6 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Let us see the next topic, types of decimal. Decimal can be classified into two types, like decimal and unlike decimal. Like decimal, decimals having the same number of decimal places. Example 2.37, 9.01, 14.23. Decimals having the same number of the decimal places. Example 2.37, 9.01, 14.23 are like decimals having two decimal places. Next one, unlike decimal. Decimals having the different number of decimal places. Example 1.12, 2.329, 42.8. Let us see the next topic, comparing decimals. Example 25.50 and 25.75. Step 1. Convert the given decimals into like decimals if it is unlike. Step 2. First compare the whole numbers. Step 3. If whole number parts are equal, compare the decimal number. Step 4. If the decimal number, the first digit, the 10th digits are equal, compare the 100th digit and so on. Now look at this example 25.50 and 25.75. Given decimals are like decimal. So directly go to the second step. Compare the whole part. Whole part numbers are equal. 25 and 25 equal. Next step, compare the decimal number. Decimal number 50 and 75. 50 or 75, which one is the greater? 75 is greater. So 25.50 less than 25.75. Let us see the next topic, addition and subtraction of decimal number. Step 1. Convert the given decimals into like decimal if it is unlike. So check the given decimals like or unlike. Given decimals are like decimal. If you are the like decimal, directly add the digits. 3.21, 2.34 are the digits. First decimal place value 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 5.55. Next example 0.0345 plus 6.124. The given decimal numbers are unlike decimal. First step, change into like decimal. 0.0345 plus 6.1240. Next, add the decimal numbers. We will get the answer 6.15. Next example, 62.7 minus 60.74. Given decimals are unlike decimal, first step change into like decimal. So first step change into like 62.70, then next 60.74. Now subtract the decimal numbers. 0 and 4 you can't subtract, so borrow 10, this becomes a 6. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 and 7 you can't subtract, so borrow from 2, 1 and 6 becomes 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 1 minus 0, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. So what is the answer? 1.96. The decimal point is main important. What is the answer of 62.7 minus 60.74? Answer is 1.96. Another one example, 43.7 minus 18.23 plus 96.38 minus 27.62. Step 1, change unlike decimal to like decimal. Step 1, change unlike decimal to like decimal. 43.70 minus 18.23 plus 96.38 minus 27.62. Step 2, subtract first two decimal numbers. 43.70 minus 18.23. Subtract these two decimal numbers, we will get 25.47. 25.47. Step 3, subtract the next two decimal numbers. 96.38, 27.62. Subtract this two decimal number, we will get 68.76. Final step, the last step, step 4, add two decimal numbers, 68.76 and 25.47. Step 2 answer plus step 3 answer. Now you add two decimal numbers, we will get 94.25. Now we will see multiplication of decimal number. There are three cases are there. Now let us see one by one. First one, multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, etc. Second one, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Third one, multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. Let us see one by one. First one, multiplication of a decimal by 10, 100, 1000. On multiplying a decimal by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right by 1, 2, 3, place values, etc. On multiplying a decimal number by 10, 100, 1000, the decimal point is shifted to the right side. First example, 673.234 multiplied by 10. Here how many zeros are there? 10, 1 0. So the decimal point is shifted to the right by 1 digit. 6732.34. The question is 673.234 multiplied by 10 The multiply by 10. The 10, how many zeros are there? 1 0. So the decimal point is shifted to the 1 digit right. The point decimal point 2 will come to after the digit 6732.34. Next example, 673.234 multiplied by 100. 100, how many zeros are there? 2 0. So what you are going to do? Yeah, decimal point is shifted to the 2 digit right side. 673, already decimal point is 3 after. So 2 digit shifted to right. The decimal point will move to 2 digit after. 2 3.4. So what is the answer? 67,323.4. Next example, 673.234 multiplied by 1000. 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. What you are going to do? The decimal point is shifted to the 3 digit right side. So 3 digit right side means where you are going to keep the point? 4 after. So answer is 6,73,234. Next example, 6.5 into 10. 10, how many zeros are there? 1 0. So 1 digit shift to right. Answer is 65. Next question, 6.5 into 100. 100, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. So what you are going to do? The decimal point is shifted to the 2 digit right side. 2 digit means 650. The answer is 650. Next question, sixth question, 6.5 into 1000. 1000, how many zeros are there? 3 zeros. The 3 zeros shifted to the right side from the decimal point. So the answer is 6500. Next case, multiplication of a decimal by a whole number. Example 1, 12 into 3.82. Step 1, ignore the decimal point. 12 into 382. Now multiply the 12 and 382. Did you know the normal multiplication? Yeah. Now multiply 12 into 382. Answer is 4584. After multiply the digit, now you keep decimal point. Now look at the question. Question, how many decimal point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. So now keep the decimal point. Mark the point after the 2 digit from right side. 45.84. So what is the answer of 12 into 3.82? 45.84. Step 1, ignore the decimal point. Multiply 5 into 7. 5 sevens are 35. Now you keep the decimal point. Look at the question. Decimal point after how many digits are there? 2 digits. So now you keep the decimal point. Mark the point after 2 digits from right. From the right you keep the decimal point. So what is the answer? 0.35. Next question, 0.2 into 6. Now ignore the decimal point. Multiply the 2 and 6. 2 6 are 12. The next step, after multiplied, keep the decimal point. Now look at the question. Decimal point after how many digits? 1 digit. So now you keep the point. Mark the point after 1 digit from the right. 1 digit from the right means what is the answer? 1.2. So 0.2 into 6, what is the answer? 1.2. The last case, multiplication of a decimal by a decimal. Question number 1, 82.53 multiplied by 7.4. Now we ignore the decimal point. Now multiply these two numbers, 8253 multiplied by 74. After multiplied, we will get answer 6,10,722. Now look at the question. Decimal point after how many digits are there? First decimal place is 2 digit, the next one is 1 digit. So totally decimal point after how many digits are there? Totally is the 3 digits. Now mark the decimal point after 3 digits from the right. So 610.722. So let us see the next example. 0.5 into 0.05. What is the first step? We ignore the decimal point. 5 into 5. 5 is a 25. Now look at the question. Decimal point after here how many digits? 1. Here decimal point after how many digits? 2. So totally decimal point after how many digits? 3 digits. Now mark the decimal point after 3 digit from right. So already here 2 digit only. So you need one more digit. So add 0 to 5. So what is the answer? 0.025. What is the answer of 0.5 into 0.05? Answer is 0.025. Next question, 2.5 into 0.3. Now you ignore the decimal point. 25 into 3. So now you multiply 25 into 3. 5 3s are 15, remaining 1. 5 3s are 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1, 7. 25 into 3, answer is 75. Now look at the question. Here how many digits are there? Decimal point after 1. Here how many digits are there? Decimal point after 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So totally how many digits are there after the decimal point? 2. Now you keep the decimal point after 2 digits from right. So answer is 0.75. Decimal point is main important. What is? Dear children, today no homework sums. Are you happy? But coming Thursday, you have one online test. Topic is fraction. Go through all the videos, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and a basic definition of fractions. Coming Thursday, you have online test. Prepare well. Thank you, children.